it's Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. John Delavera has just come out with Turbo Push Notification Software, PLR. So you get to resell the software, and it's great software. So first off, it's $9.10. Right now, as I'm recording it, it's obviously on a dime sale, slowly going up. So the link's in the video description. Go check it out if you like this kind of thing. Reselling software. So you can change the information. They give you the whole business in a box with the website, the email sequence, the thank you page, the training video, everything you need to set everything up. Put your name in as a seller, and away you go. It's your software, and basically you sell one of these copies, and you're break even, and from there on in you're on 100% profit. You got a new revenue stream, and that's what this software is. So it's called Turbo Push Notifications, and it's basically a thing where people can go to. I'll use you as an example, your website, and it's about brown shoes. Okay, it's a brown shoes website, and people go, hey, I want to get some news about new brown shoes coming out, hot new brown shoes information, whatever it is, and they can one click and sign up, and this now sends notifications to your browser. So it's not an email that you kind of go, there's 88 emails in there, I'll see a couple that I care about and ignore the rest. Wow, there's thousands of emails built up in my email list. I'm ignoring all those. And that's the drawback to email right now. So people are looking for things that will get you the same kind of in front of your face, excited to read. That email used to be, bing, you've got mail. Wow, what is that? That's a long ways. They don't bug you with that anymore because it'd be going bing, 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 bing. So the software now pops up a notification on your browser, kind of like I think Facebook has the same kind of a system where things flash and things, you're sort of conditioned to check those out, see what it is. So you've seen things with text message, that's one idea. This is the push notification, which pushes the information right back to the computer screen. So if you can imagine popping up, say having a list of 1,000 people, something pops up on their screen and 1,000 people go, well, what's that? I better click, better check it out. Oh, new product, new thing, oh, boom, 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 and away you go. So much higher open rate, response rate, much higher sales. $9.10 for the software, and you get to resell it. So the link's in the video description. John Delavera, well-known internet marketer, great software. He's not just throwing this together, he's been doing these kind of things. I think he's somewhere in there says that he's developed 60 different software pieces. So this Turbo PLR is a overall brand, and or Turbo, and so push notification software, and you get the PLR rights to sell it for $9.10. Links in the video description. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com.